This is AACPS Digest with Maneka Monk.
Hello, and welcome to the Anne Arundel County Public Schools Digest, bringing you news about the people and programs of Anne Arundel County Public Schools. South Shore Elementary School third grade teacher Teresa Beilstein was recently named the 2019-2020 Maryland Teacher of the Year by the Maryland State Department of Education.
It is such an incredible honor to be recognized for a job that I love to do every day, and to be able to represent the thousands of teachers around the state and the countless students that we have in our Maryland public school system is such a joy beyond words, and I am so excited and eager to promote and represent our profession and our students this year.
In addition to many well-deserved prizes, including a car, Beilstein will perform several duties throughout the year that not only promote her platform, but will also uplift the profession and students.
I think our students need an advocate. They need an advocate that's going to go out and speak on their behalf. What do they need? And I have a particular interest in focusing on the mental health and well-being of our student population. So that's a big part of what I plan to focus on and give voice to this year. And I also think that our teachers around the state deserve recognition and deserve a champion. And so I am very excited to be able to be that champion and be that voice for them.
Beilstein has spent her entire 7-year career at South Shore Elementary. She is now the state's nominee for the National Teacher of the Year Award. At the annual Superintendents Breakfast, hundreds of business and community partners gathered to celebrate and encourage the essential partnerships that fulfill student growth and capacity.
It's our future. I mean, the students are our future. I mean, anytime we're able to put technology in the classroom, it's terribly exciting.
What we do to help support them and make sure that they get the kind of financial literacy, and supporting our teachers, who then, of course, are imparting that to their students. That's what's important to the credit union, and that's our give back to the community.
The relationships fostered by AACPS and local businesses and organizations are essential to the school system's functions.
That when you give students an opportunity, they will flourish. You represent opportunity.
The networking breakfast is one of many events sponsored by the 21st Century Education Foundation in support of the school system's goals. An awesome example of essential community partnerships is the amazing generosity of the Rotary Club of Parole, which donated $80,000 in support of the Phoenix Academy's agricultural education program.
One of our members got involved with the school here, recognized that there was a need, and one of our focuses is on youth of the community and helping them by providing funds and mentorship so that they have a brighter future, because we believe kids are the future tomorrow. So we invest in them today.
The donation helped establish the school's Rise Up Farm, which has a custom-built greenhouse, shed, and farming area where students engage in hands-on learning experiences in environmental science, animal sciences, and botany.
When we get our outside groups and we get our partners to come in from the outside and really work with our students and provide opportunities, whether it's a physical structure or it's mentoring or hands-on learning, it really expands everything our students know and are able to do.
This partnership has been the impetus for this program. Because of the Rotarians' generosity, we were able to get the greenhouse, we were able to get the storage sheds, we were able to get the electricity to run not only the storage sheds but also the greenhouse. So again, it has been super, super important to us.
More than 100 students from a few county high schools recently learned some valuable life lessons while witnessing actual criminal court cases as part of the Schools in Court program, sponsored by the District Court of Maryland. Hosted by Judge Shane Spencer, students get a better understanding of how the state's justice system works and the consequences of making poor choices.
Time for a car stop. You're gonna make a mistake. This is what I will tell you that when you leave here, I want you to do. When you make it, own it and make it right. When you make a mistake, own it. Make it right away. What's that mean to you? I don't know yet. It could mean making a phone call. It could mean saying, I'm sorry. It could mean a lot of different other things. We'll get there. But when you make a mistake, own it. Don't think that anyone on this side of the aisle of the well has not made a mistake. All of us have. I make them every single day. I'm going to make one today. I'll make it right sometime.
The students heard testimony from defendants and victims of drunken driving accidents, drug abuse, and speeding and distracted driving cases, and watched Judge Spencer sentence people for their indiscretions. The Schools in Court program began in 2000 and is presented biannually for county high school students. For the second straight year, AACPS took an active part in Unity Day, an initiative of the National Bullying Prevention Center. In the effort to visibly show commitments to fostering acceptance and inclusion and eliminate hate and bullying, thousands of students, staff, and community members painted the county orange by wearing the color, taking part in a variety of activities planned to reinforce the message of unity. The day is just the first of several occasions on which AACPS will specifically address anti-bullying issues this year. As part of Project Unity, AACPS students and staff will wear orange and participate in additional activities on December 5th, February 12th, and March 24th. Thank you for watching Anne Arundel County Public Schools on AACPS-TV.